Okay, so like I said, this is the telega. Sorry if I sound funny. I have a mask on. I love the way they did this. Also love the black stairs. Okay, should we go up or down? Let's go up. So prior to going up, there is a staircase right here, and there's also, I believe, a coat closet. So, simple coat closet. And as you go up the stairs, it looks like so. So, let's go up the stairs, and we will go down the stairs later on. Okay. So you get this set up for your living room or family room. And it's a pretty small space. Mine space is a little bit bigger. And I love the colors they chose though. And they have this huge, long, wide windows. So now, when you go this way, I love this. This is beautiful to me because it's simple. Like, okay, so then you get to see the island. And so this is the kitchen. Oh, I love those, how do you call it? Pendants right there. I'm looking for something like this. I love the mustard color, mustard yellow. So this is what it looks like on this side. So when you turn this way, there's a powder room. Oh, this is beautiful. I love these things. And simple toilet. Like I said, I told you guys in my previous homes that I love to come in here to get inspiration. So that is beautiful. Sorry, I had to clean my throat. I feel like something was in my throat. Okay, as we go forward, this is the master bathroom, because this is the master bedroom. But yeah, simple cabinet, white mirror, and the toilet. I like these over the toilet, and that is cute. And yes, as you turn around, you get to see the master bedroom, if I'm not mistaken, but I believe so, because they have a couple's picture. So I love the accent wall. So the color here is throughout the whole room. It has the navy blue with the mustard yellow. And look at this curtain. That is so beautiful, the color. I wish they have taken a little bit up the ceiling. But yeah. So now when you come this way, you get to see the wardrobe. It's a walk-in closet. It's pretty good. Now, where were we? We came up, right? Okay, let's go down. Oh, I love the sofa table. I like that. That's really pretty. It gives something different to the so there's also another upstairs. Okay, since we're already upstairs, let's just continue there instead of going back downstairs and coming back up. So when you walk this way, this is what you get. I really, really like that. Okay, so I'm thinking now. Oh my God, I love the over the stairs. It's really pretty. Like I told you guys, I come here to get ideas for my own home. So, okay. So you have a landing here with a bench, which is really pretty. And then you have a bed. Okay, so this is a 3-bedroom home. Okay, so this is like a kid's room. And it's a very small bed, so the room feels a little bit bigger, which is great. I love this with the decks. And good. Right over here is the closet. Okay, so when we go forward, there, I believe this is a utility. No, this is this is like a linen closet, the bathroom. Sorry, I'm trying to find the light. Okay. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's beautiful, simple. I love that. And another room. Yes, another room. So now we can go downstairs. And this is the closet for that room. So once we turn this way, then you turn the lights off. Okay, guys. We go down the stairs. Sorry, I hope I don't make you dizzy. This is such a beautiful view. Okay, now we get to go down the stairs. Okay, so I don't know if this is included or this will be considered a basement. That's a finished basement, or this is just included, but it's beautiful. Look at that. I love that. So you put another TV station right here. I love that table. Like a studying place. It's just like a quiet place. And I have something like this at home. Not that, but I do have a quiet place home where we just go and sit down, and when I say it's quiet time, all the kids know what I'm talking about. So, and then you can have like your little kids can play over here. So yeah, this is the model home.